Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to MEXC with zero fees. Now, if you don't have an account on Binance or MEXC, I will put their link down in the description so that you could get extra sign-up bonuses. Now, first of all, you need to launch your Binance app and then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right-hand corner. Over here, tap on Spot and then you will see all of your assets here. So you need to select USDT and then select the option of withdrawal. After that, select the option of send via crypto network and then you will be landed on this page. Now, in order to transfer your USDT from Binance to MEXC with zero fees, I would recommend you to select the network as BEP20 because it is completely free. If you select TRC20 network, you will have to make the payment for $1. So that includes $1 fee. But for BEP20 network, it is absolutely free. So you need to select this network and provide the BEP20 address here and confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed, you will get your USDT from Binance to your MEXC account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.